Hey folks, Lee Smith, Spouses Buying Houses. Hey, I'm on the beach. Not really. See my computer. I'm sitting in my office. But I'm trying to get that warm, fuzzy vibe on because I'm going to teach you guys something today. I'm going to teach you how to market properties. If you got a property and you want a quick sale, you give me a call. And I'll give you a quick cash offer. It may not be the best price ever, but hey, I'll just put that elephant in the room already. But if you want a quick cash sale, call me. I'll take a look at it. Most of the time, I'll be able to give you a rough range over the phone before I even do anything. But if you want to you want to earn a little bit more money, then you can market it yourself. I'm going to teach you how to do that right now. Ready? All right. We're away from the beach now. All right. So here's a decent ad, right? This one here, this house here, $30,000. They got a picture of the front, exterior. They got a couple of interior shots. I could go without the pistachio green walls, but hey, you know what? I'm looking at it. I'm enjoying it, right? A little bit of bathroom shot there. Good thing right there. Ladies like it when the toilet seat is down. If you don't know it, you do now. So when you're getting pictures of a bathroom, and also women like to see kitchens and bathrooms. I'm not making generalizations. There's been studies done, folks. So you want to shoot a picture of the kitchen and the bathroom. Make sure the toilet seat's down. That's what I'm saying. All right, so that was not bad. I actually sent him an offer. Hey, that was Costello. All right, so Costello is got us another one here. Costello's got another one. Buddy, up your game. You ready? Exterior. I mean, obviously, we see this house got some issues. Exterior. What are we missing here, folks? Costello, buddy. What are we missing? We're missing the interior pictures, brother. You got to get some interior pictures up here. I sent you a message. Call me. All right. Let's go to this one. Another one. It's boarded up. Exterior. Oh, wait. We only got 2 pictures, folks. I'm telling you right now. You can have more than 2 pictures on Facebook, right? Natalie, up your game, hon. All right. Exterior picture. It's all boarded up. I can tell we got issues. You know it. I know it. That elephant's already been pointed out in the room. Let's get this done. Get some more better pictures. All right. Now I'm just going to show you my website, right? I am not an expert, all right? I just pretend to be. Now here's first thing on our screen. I'm going to click on one of our ads, right? Now this house is not the prettiest house in the entire world. I'm over it. The elephant's in the room, right? But look, interior pictures. Kitchen. Do I get a bathroom shot? More interior pictures. Bathroom shot, toilet seat down. Booyah! Yeah! We got this figured out, folks. All right, now, here's another thing. Here's another trick for the trade. Man, do a walkthrough video, folks. This stuff ain't hard, right? I'm going to even go to my YouTube page and you can even check it out. Look at that. To show the neighborhood. This elephant is out, folks. We're going to do a walk around. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. We're doing an exterior walk around. This is one of my rentals, folks. This is not even for something I'm selling. The front patio. Look, we're walking in the front door. Wait, what's that to the left? What is it?
It's a nice enclosed.
Oh yeah, we're going to show you what's to the left. Oh! Alright, and we're going to go inside. This is on a stabilized camera, folks. I ain't making this tough. You even get to see his camera when he's doing the shot. Or his phone. But you get to see it, right? You're doing a walkthrough of the house, right? And then we're going, look, we did this corner. We're going over to this corner. We are going over to this corner. We're getting arms in the sleeves and shots in the picture, but you get the idea, right? This is how you market. It ain't perfect. It doesn't have to be, but it's better. It's good. You're not getting like the shake. Oh, if you're holding your camera like this, you got shake going on, right? Oh, y'all got Parkinson's. Everybody does. I do too. We just don't know it yet. But you know what I mean? You can just do this. I mean, shoots you can buy. There's camera stabilizer for your cell phone, and it's like 60 bucks on Amazon. I mean, we're getting bathroom shots, right?
Full-size shower and tub.
Did we get the? Oh yeah, look at that toilet seat's down. Kitchen, right? Getting 2 or 3 different angles here. House ain't perfect, but you're getting the picture, right? Look, all that in 3 minutes.
Bonus room.
Right? YouTube loves videos. So does YouTube, Facebook, everybody loves it. So this stuff ain't difficult, right? It's all it takes. Look, we're 2:45 and we're done with this video. All right. You want to learn more ways to make money doing real estate? Or, like I said, if you just don't want to even mess with all this stuff, then just call me. I'll give you an offer over the phone, come out and confirm it, and then we'll probably just go from there. Cash offer, close in 7 days. All right. Click the subscribe wherever it is. I don't know where it is. Click the subscribe so you can be notified of more of my videos. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. I'm going back to the beach. Booyah, beach, beach, beach. Bye.